Last week I showed a deer head the taxidermist Tim Hayes had just finished in the museum. He ended the job with a shot of furniture polish. Now this seemed odd to people who asked me for more information. Believe me, they were as surprised as I was. Here's the whole sequence as it unfolded. Done, eh?
Yeah, I just gotta put some furniture polish on it.
Some what?
Furniture polish.
On the deer?
Yeah. Right here.
Where? Pledge? Now, how does that work on the deer?
Well, not only does it make the deer smell really good, but it stops the hair from drying out and it helps repel the dust. Deer hair is hollow and it breaks rather easy, and over a period of years, it gets really, really brittle.
I thought maybe you were going to put that just on the antlers.
Well, you put it on the antlers too, and it helps give them a polish without a shine. You've seen deer done years ago where they varnished them or shellacked them, and they're real shiny. And that's not how an antler's supposed to look. It's supposed to look just kind of fresh and not shiny, but rather dull. And it will help stop the antlers from drying out. If you've ever seen an old rack that has little hairline fractures in it, it's just because it's dried out. Well, the furniture polish takes care of all that problem. So you want to keep it off the eyes and off the nose because it will dull that finish. You can use Windex on the eyes and just a feather duster on the nose, and pretty easy to maintain as long as you do something periodically.
There you go. Tim's taxidermy tips for maintaining a mounted deer head. For the hair, occasionally wipe it carefully with some aerosol furniture polish. For the eyes, keep them sparkling with Windex, and dust the nose with a feather duster. If you want to watch Tim work or ask him questions about taxidermy, he'll be at our Museum of Outdoor Collectibles Fridays from 10 to 5 and Saturdays from 10 to 4. You might even get to see him polish off a deer head.